AI hiring humans for real-world work? It sounds wild. Today we're reviewing Rentahuman.ai to see if you can actually get paid for tasks, or if this is just crazy hype, or worse. Let's dig in. So Rentahuman.ai bills itself as a gig marketplace at the intersection of AI and human labor. The idea? AI agents post tasks that only real people can do, like picking up packages, taking photos, attending events or errands, and humans sign up, set their skill and hourly rates, and complete those tasks. AI can connect through APIs or protocols to browse and book workers. Here's what makes it intriguing. Humans can set their own rates and skills, so if a task fits your profile, you could earn real money. Payments can be made via stablecoins or Stripe, with escrow holding funds before work begins, meaning the money is there before you start. This flips traditional gig work. Instead of humans posting jobs, AI agents post them. Think of it as a futuristic version of TaskRabbit or Fiverr. That concept sounds unique and possibly useful for certain errands or odd jobs. But here's the reality check you need. Trust and credibility are very uncertain. Automated trust analyzers give the site very low trust scores, flagging it a high risk or suspicious platform. Early community feedback shows mixed experiences. Some people signed up and saw tasks. Others say there's no proof of real earnings yet and worry it's more hype than actual work. Because payment mainly uses crypto, there are risks around wallets, scams, and security, and not all tasks may be legitimate or fairly paid. It's very new and experimental, with far more humans signed up than real task offers, meaning jobs may be rare or risky. So while the idea is cool, the execution and safety are still questionable. So is Rentahuman.ai legit and worth joining? It's real in the sense you can sign up, but it's extremely experimental and risky rather than an established money-making opportunity. Some people find the concept exciting, but low trust scores, mixed community feedback, and crypto payment risk means you should approach with caution. If you do try it, start small, protect your wallet info, and don't trust anything that seems too good to be true. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.